Today, I'm giving you 5 strategies brands are actually using to grow social media in 2026, not the recycled tips you see everywhere else. If you manage social media for brands, these strategies you should be executing right now. Forget daily trends. Brands are growing through stories, not skits. And the best performing content right now is micro-documentaries. A micro-doc is a 15 to 60 second story about the brand that shows the mission, the process, and the customer experience, or the transformation behind the product. And creating just one micro-doc per week builds authority, trust, and retention. Plus, you can still pull 2 or 4 short clips from each. The algorithm isn't pushing content, it's pushing conversions. And if your client isn't creating conversion starters, they're invisible. Create one weekly post that sparks discussion, not what's your favorite color, but what's the one product you'll refill forever, because people love talking about themselves if you give them a chance. Raw is still king, but low effort is out, and the best UGC now looks like a creator shot it on purpose, not on accident, which means asking creators for clean lighting, tight framing, real testimonials, and one hook moment in the first 3 seconds. Because if your UGC doesn't grab attention immediately, it doesn't work, period. Most brands' feeds are chaos, so here's a simple ratio I give my clients. 60% value, 20% story, and 20% conversion. Value builds trust, story builds connection, conversion brings sales, and when you balance all 3, that's when growth gets stable. AI is not here to replace social media managers, it's here to replace the boring parts. So use AI to draft hooks, generate content topics, repurpose long-form content into shorts, analyze comments, and create caption variations that spend the saved time on strategy, where humans actually win. These 5 strategies are what brands are using to grow right now. And if you implement even one, you'll beat 90% of the competition. If you want my exact content to social media managers, subscribe. I drop new strategies every week.